They say time heals all wounds, but what do you do in the meantime when your heart is shattered? When the person you trusted the most walks away, leaving you with nothing but the pain of what once was. Heartbreak can make you feel lost, like you'll never feel whole again. But the truth is, healing doesn't happen overnight. So today, I want to share with you quotes that will heal your broken heart. Words have power. You lost the moon while counting the stars. This quote reminds you that you didn't lose, they did. Don't let your loneliness make you reconnect with toxic people. Healing means moving forward, not clinging to what shattered you. No matter how many times a snake sheds its skin, it will always be a snake. Their nature stays the same. You won't find the same person twice, not even in the same person. Letting go means accepting they're no longer who you need. It's better to be alone than to be with someone who makes you feel alone. Love shouldn't make you feel isolated. A broken heart is the price you pay for the chance to love. Even in heartbreak, there's beauty. You loved. Sometimes the person you want the most is the one you're best without. You deserve someone who sees your value from the start. The sun will rise and so will you. The pain won't last forever. You will find happiness again. Healing a broken heart isn't about forgetting the pain. It's about finding the strength to keep moving forward. These quotes are reminders that you are stronger than you think, and that this heartbreak is just a moment in time. Take these words to heart. Your heart may be broken now, but it will mend. You will rise again.